I ran a YouTube ads campaign for just 7 days and I went from 20 subscribers to 193. Let me show you exactly what I did and the real results. In this video, I walk you through the exact campaign setup I used, how much I spent, what targeting I choose, and what happened after 1 week. So this is a beginner-friendly breakdown and nothing complicated. So as a quick setup explanation, I choose an engagement campaign with the goal of getting more subscribers. Instead of promoting just one video, I selected the 2 videos on my channel that already had the most clicks and watch time. So now let me show you the setup. So we will click Create and then Campaign. We will click Create a campaign without guidance, then select Video, and then we can see all the campaign subtypes. This one is pre-selected, but we will be scrolling down and we choose YouTube subscriptions and engagements. I choose an engagement campaign. The goal was not leads or sales. My goal was just to grow my YouTube channel. So we will click Continue. So now we're actually getting the info that the video conversion campaigns are now called demand gen campaigns. Yeah, but doesn't matter. As a name, we can, for example, choose YouTube engagement February 2026, just like that. So as a campaign goal, we will leave YouTube engagement and we set a daily budget of $5. It's not very high, but I just want to test, so I select that budget. As an end date, I want the campaign to run for 7 days, so we will select an end date. Like we will start tomorrow and we will select the end date 5th of March. So after 7 days, it will be finished. Here we don't select anything and yeah. We click no, this campaign doesn't have geopolitical ads. And actually, I would like that it only shows on the phone. So I will set specific targeting for devices, phone, and yeah, this is everything. Ad schedule all day. So here you can already see that Google says, okay, it's limited by budget. But we ignore that for now, so we will go to ad group number 1 and click ad group. Now we can name the ad group. Instead of splitting the locations into different ad groups, I actually combined all locations into only one ad group. I didn't want to overcomplicate it, I just wanted to have data fast. So I decided I want to show the ads in Germany, US, UK, and Australia. So I named the ad group like that. I choose enter another location and then actually we can go to advanced settings and we can click add locations in bulk. So now we can type in the countries like Germany, Australia, UK, and actually US. So let's click search and now you can see it worked. So we just click target all. And then all our locations are inside. We click Save. For the languages, we actually click all languages and all Google channels. For the audience, we can add an audience here. And you already see digital marketing. It's like pre-selected from the last campaign. So we choose digital marketing as only observation mode. Here we leave everything as it is. And then we click Go to Ad 1. So now we are choosing video ad and we would give a name. To keep it simple, I just name it YouTube ad. And now we have to put our final URL. So as it's my YouTube channel, we copy the URL from my YouTube channel and paste it here. And now you could either paste the URL from the video you would like to advertise for, or you could select the videos here. So I actually promoted the 2 videos that were already performing the best organically. I choose how to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner and actually what is the best Google Ads account structure. And I click Add and I will select the other one as well. I will click on Save. What is the logic behind that? If a video already works well without ads, the chances are actually very high it will perform better with ads as well. So that's a very important insight. We click add a logo, and I just screenshotted my YouTube channel banner. We select that, it takes a bit, we click save. And now actually you can decide if you want to have the asset optimization or not. I personally don't like that, so I will uncheck that. And now we can enter our texts. To save us some time, I already filled out all the ad copy. I would really recommend that you fill out all the 5 headlines as I did, and then as well the long headlines and the descriptions. So as you can see, Google Ads gives some recommendations, but I would suggest you write your own effective ad copy. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my previous video, and I will link this video here. So I filled out everything, and then just choose the call to action. For us, it will be subscribe. So we're choosing subscribe. And now I could enter either my YouTube channel or the business name CocoMind, which is my original business. I recommend as well adding some site links, because site links make the ad bigger and it's more visible. So site links here, I actually have a site link for my Instagram channel, my homepage, and I selected the free 30-minute Google Ads account audit as a site link. Here on the side, you can already see how it will look like. And now we will click apply. Here you can see how your ad will look like later. You can see that the user gets a clear subscribe button. So now we will click go to review. And now we can review our campaign and click publish campaign. So let's check the results after 7 days. This is the campaign performance. You can see that we actually got a lot of impressions and a lot of clicks. We got 208 conversions, and this is the total cost of our campaign. So actually I went from around 20 to 193 subscribers in just one single week. So that's actually pretty good. Let's scroll down. We will see some more metrics. You can actually see the conversions and then the conversion rate, which is almost 41%. So it's pretty good. And one conversion cost us 24 cents. So it's actually pretty good, and I'm very happy with that. Before I published that campaign, Google estimated conversions between 107 and 120. So actually we got much more conversions and subscriptions than that, which makes me very happy. But one important thing I want to share with you, just because my YouTube engagement campaign worked very good, it doesn't mean that every campaign will perform like that. But if your content is good, your targeting makes sense, then actually the YouTube ads can accelerate your growth. So if you're starting a channel and you want to have faster growth, a small YouTube engagement campaign can really help. But only if your content already delivers value. If you want more real Google Ads breakdowns like this, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll explain everything as simple as possible. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.